Assalamu alaikum. This is Adnan Ahmed from Excellence Online Platform. Today I'm going to discuss about a paper, how to solve paper, how to pass exam, how to attempt exams or paper effectively so as to get maximum marks. Most of students they have three dimensions of learning: memorization, comprehension, application. Some students are intelligent, but they are unable or maybe they are not good at to attempt a paper efficiently with good written presentation, with clarity, and to get ultimately to get good marks. Today we are going to discuss about how to attempt paper effectively and professionally. How to attempt paper so we can get maximum marks. Right? Our paper should show reflection, professional outlook, efficiency. Whatever we have preparation means in papers we must produce. The application of your learning must be in paper, written paper, right? So first to attempt paper, this is important for you to realize, to understand the importance of 3 R's. 3 R's, whether indirectly or directly, we have 3 R's is a reflection of 365 days. The struggles of 365 days, you must apply, you must imply, you must use, you must utilize, you must put in 3 R's paper. The struggling of 365 days must be reflected in your 3 R's paper. Second, we have game changer. Most of the paper, intermediate, O level, 9th, 10th class, first or second class. These papers, means 3 R's, are game changer. From bottom to you can get yourself to the top. From the top you can lay down yourself towards the mid and bottom. So importance of 3 R's no one can deny. Realize, try to understand the value, significance of 3 R's in paper, in exam. The importance of 3 R's no one can deny. 3 R's will make you important. 3 R's no one can deny. This is very important for you to get maximum marks. A1 grade, 4 CGPA, we have different systems regarding papers. If you want to get maximum marks, try to understand the importance of 3 R's, the value of the 3 R's. Right? Apply a professional thought. Your paper must be reflected a professional outlook. Second, you must be, here we have 3 modifiers, 3 adjectives or 3 words we have. One is speedy. In paper 3 R's. You do not have time, you will not get enough time to think a lot, to make plan. Here you must apply application. The basic idea is you must be speedy. In 3 R's, attempt your question, complete your paper, put your professional thought, do all things which are required for you. Second, calculative. You must be calculative according to marks distribution, your quality, your quantity, your length, your presentation. You must calculate your timing, your questions and marks. If you have 10 mark questions, then dedicate your time, right? Write down more, divide your topic, give heading or subheadings, means mark distribution and time management. It's very important for you to manage. Most of the candidates they cannot manage or they find problem to manage. Starting towards they spend in writing, right, a relevant element, or they focus only quantity rather than quality, but at the end they find difficult for them to complete a paper, then they are quite speedy. Here speedy does not mean to only complete your paper. I mean to complete your paper, put efficient thoughts, be professional, be conceptual, relevant, argumentative, right? What is ours, write down the same. Relevant element do not write down. Second, we have productive. The struggling, dedication and learning of 365 days. Here you must be productive, you must produce, you must generate your thoughts. You should not be thoroughly depend on memorization or rectification. Here you must produce your thoughts here, right? So we have three modifiers, 3 adjectives, 3 words, apply these words, you can perform better. Second, a professional outlook, written presentation. Most of the professors, teachers, instructors, they focus in your paper, you must have a good written presentation. What does a written presentation mean? First idea, I have written clarification. You must clarify your thoughts, questions, right? You're attempting the answer to questions, means your answers should reflect clarity. In clarity, one is thoughts clarity, number second is words clarity. Your writing must be intelligible. I do not mean artistic writing, flowers, different colors. I do not mean, this is painting. Here your thoughts must be clarified. Second is your writing must be intelligible, comprehensive. And clarifications, be conceptual, clarify, right? Be professional, conceptual. What is asked, write down the answer, be relevant. You can clarify your thoughts by diagrams, as we can see, illustration, diagram, table, images, headings. Sometimes it is difficult to clarify your thoughts. So by writing, you can take help through drawing a diagram, a table, a ratio, and images, right? And headings and some headings. If we have one page, in one page we have 3 or 4 different thoughts. So try to clarify your thoughts by headings and by subheadings. You will be given importance and you will be given marks if you apply these kind of methods. Right, one method is the second is use different tools, as I have written, diagram, images, illustrations, ratios, line, headings and subheadings. If we merge them, right, we will take one idea, that is a presentation. It shows you have a professional presentation, a professional outlook. Yes. Number second, we have to get maximum marks. The first and the basic principle is attempt what is asked. In questions, be relevant to the point, right? Attempt what is asked. A checker, in paper see questions and try to attempt question, be relevant, be professional, be efficient, to the point, then you can divert. But first is answer, write down with relevance. See, conceptual clarification. In most of the cases, we do not have conceptual clarification. Conceptual clarification means first is you must understand question conceptually. If you are unable to understand question conceptually, this is difficult for you. Some students they cannot understand the real sense of questions, what is being asked. They are unable to understand. Right? First is try to understand questions. One question, and we have different segments, dimension of questions. Try to understand questions and different dimension of questions. Maybe in one question we have 3 questions, 3 sub questions we have, and try to answer them, right? Equally, distributed time equally. Clarification of words and ideas. We have 2 kinds of clarification. One is through words, writing. Number second is through ideas, imagination. You must be intelligible and conceptually and in written in both cases. Right? To clarify yourself, your thoughts, you can use other tools as I'm discussing. Hopefully like this video. Thank you.